Welcome to Miss Vind. Hello little learners. Today we are going to explore the amazing parts of our body. Before starting, please subscribe to the Miss Vind channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's learn them one by one. Head, head, head. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Ears, ears, ears. Nose, nose, nose. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Tongue, tongue, tongue. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Hair, hair, hair. Cheeks, cheeks, cheeks. Chin, chin, chin. Neck, neck, neck. Shoulders, shoulders, shoulders. Arms, arms, arms. Elbow, elbow, elbow. Hands, hands, hands. Fingers, fingers, fingers. Chest, chest, chest. Back, back, back. Waist, waist, waist. Legs, legs, legs. Knees, knees, knees. Ankle, ankle, ankle. Feet, feet, feet. Toes, toes, toes. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.